Seems like more and more society and courts are looking very critical at the evidence involved in these police misconduct cases.
Tonight, a step towards justice for the family of a man shot 76 times during a police raid. Jamarion Robinson was killed during a raid in 2016, and tonight we learned that a jury will decide whether the police officers involved used excessive force. Right now, there are both criminal and civil trials that are underway against the officers.
And now a court of appeals rules the officers do not get qualified immunity. CBS 46's Patrick Quinn live in Atlanta with more.
And this has been a very controversial case here in Atlanta for the last 6 years surrounding issues of police use of force, lack of body cameras, as well as how police interact with those with mental illness. And the latest twist tonight, the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals, they actually ruled in favor of Monteria Robinson, the mother of Jamarion Robinson, calling on a jury to look at this case. This month marks 6 years since Jamarion Robinson's death. A medical examiner found he had 76 gunshot wounds after a police raid. We saw rallies in honor of Robinson earlier this month, where his mom, Monteria Robinson, told me her pain persists.
What happened to my son, the heinous act that was committed to my son, I'll never, be able to move forward. I'll never get over this.
Now, in a civil case against the officers involved in this deadly shooting, the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals called for a jury trial to determine whether excessive use of force was present. In a 30-page ruling, judges wrote, "We conclude that a reasonable jury could find that Officer Doyle by himself or together with Officer Hines used excessive force by shooting Mr. Robinson after the flashbang showed that he was unconscious." Monteria Robinson's attorney, Mario Williams, said he applauded this decision.
I was very pleased, and so was Miss Robinson. This has been a long journey for her.
Backtrack to 2016. Officers were not wearing body cameras. Williams said the focus is now on neighbors' cell phone video that challenged officers' statements of what happened after a flashbang was used.
Our contention is that they shot Jamarion as he lay there, defenseless, not moving, and compliant.
The officers have pleaded not guilty. NAACP Atlanta chapter president Gerald Griggs told us this ruling suggests courts are looking differently at cases surrounding police incidences.
To see them reverse a trial court's decision in granting summary judgment because of a cell phone recording, that's a major step. We're seeing a change in our judicial system in how they deal with situations of police involved encounters, police brutality. So I think that's what's surprising.
And again, there are criminal and civil trials underway surrounding this case. A week from today, a criminal trial will get underway where officers, they could face jail time. In Atlanta tonight, Patrick Quinn, CBS 46 News.
Patrick, thank you.